What is up, gangsters? I am doing a McDonald's toy haul today. So I'm gonna have a few clips of drive-through nonsense, and yeah, like it if you like it, and if you don't, oh well. I really don't know what to tell you.
What can I get for you?
Hello, do you have Pokemon cards still?
I'm sorry?
Pokemon cards?
Pokemon cards? No, we don't.
No? Okay. That is all. Thank you.
Okay.
Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. I'm depressed. Things have gotten better, and I'm about to show you why. For right-hand drive cars, this is a big deal.
What can I get for you today?
Hello, do you have Pokemon cards?
Sorry?
Do you have Pokemon cards?
Could you repeat that?
Pokemon cards.
Could you repeat that one more time? You're speaking pretty quiet.
I'm shouting, Pokemon cards!
Oh, for sure. Anything else?
Yeah. Can I get a cheeseburger Happy Meal? Extra pickles, extra onion?
Cheeseburger, extra pickles, extra onion?
Cheeseburger Happy Meal.
Yeah.
Yep. With orange juice.
What's the drink?
Orange juice.
Anything else?
That's it.
First window.
Okay, that wasn't a very good demonstration of that. He's got his headset set way down because it's, I don't know. I don't know why. Maybe I am talking quiet. God, I have to not spit my food. Still gotta get super close, but the payment pad on a stick is amazing. Usually you'd have to take off your seatbelt and lean over, and yeah, usually a huge pain in the ass if you don't have a passenger with you.
Just a Happy Meal?
Yep.
Alright. Thank you, have a good day.
Thank you. So some places will have your order on a tray on a stick. Hopefully they have that and I don't have to take my seatbelt off. Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. Going to McDonald's. Going to McDonald's. Hello.
Yes, please. Have a good day.
Do you have Pokemon cards?
Sorry?
Do you have Pokemon cards?
Sorry, what was that?
Pokemon cards.
Pokemon cards. Yes, we do. You can take only with the Happy Meals.
I know. Just making sure you have them.
Oh, yeah. We do have it.
Okay, can I get a cheeseburger Happy Meal with extra pickles, extra onions?
Extra pickles, extra onion. And what's your drink with that?
Orange juice?
For sure. That's all for you today?
No, can I get a McNugget Happy Meal?
Sure. Or chili dipping sauce and a drink?
Orange juice and random sauce.
Sorry?
Random. I don't care.
Okay, sure.
Yep.
Next window, please. Thank
Th-
you.
Thank you.
Hello, sir.
MasterCard, please.
Just try again. Some people are cheaper.
I can't. There we go.
Next window, please.
Thank you.
Sir, just go forward for the food, sir.
To the reserve section?
Yeah, the window's coming out.
Okay.
There you are.
Thank you.
Come on, ready?
It's got cards.
Hi, what can I get for you?
Hello, do you have Pokemon cards still?
Big Mac?
Pokemon cards.
Just a moment, please. Hi, what can I get for you?
Hi, do you have Pokemon cards still?
Sorry?
Pokemon cards.
Yes, only the Happy Meal.
Okay. Can I get a cheeseburger Happy Meal with extra pickles and extra onions?
For sure.
Orange
What to drink?
juice.
For sure.
And
Anything else?
yeah, can I get a McNugget Happy Meal? Random sauce, same drink.
Sir, is that my daughter Happy Meal with any what sauce?
Random. Pick one.
For sure. What to drink?
Orange juice.
For sure. Anything else?
That's it.
Alright, thank you. Next window.
Thank you.
Hi, there is a 2 Happy Meals. $9.06, please. Thank you. Next window, please.
Thank you.
Next window, please. Thank you very much.
All the next windows. No straws. Thank you.
Do you want me to?
No.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you. Better be cards or I'm gonna kill someone. Wah, 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 wah.
Hi, welcome to McDonald's. Would you like to have 2 apple pies for $1.79 today?
No, thank you.
What can I get for you?
Do you have Pokemon cards?
Sorry, what was that?
Pokemon cards. Do you have Pokemon cards?
Pokemon cards. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, we have it, but you have to buy with the Happy Meal.
Okay, I'm just making sure you haven't sold out.
Yeah. We have Pokemon cards for now.
Okay, can I get 2 McNugget Happy Meals with apple juice or no, orange juice?
Both with orange juice?
Yeah,
Okay, and what's the dipping sauce for you, sir?
random.
Okay, sweet and sour.
Okay,
Okay, anything else for you?
that's it.
First window, please. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi there.
Hello.
The Happy Meals
Yep.
is $10.27. Thank you.
Oh no. It's gonna be hail.
Hi there, the kids meal, right? Just 1 second, please.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, they didn't even listen to it.
Thank you. Oh, it's still sleet. Hopefully that changes direction. It just goes to hard rain. Not fucking rocks falling from the sky. Oh, it's turning into snow. Slushy, slushy snow. There's more hail-like. So last year around this time, this area, or the area close by, was hit really hard with a hailstorm. And those houses still aren't fixed. Actually, the houses to the left there, those are the ones that were hit. And right now we're at soft hail. I don't know if you can see or not, but they're breaking up quite a bit on impact, so they're not fully ice. But that can change in a second. And they're good enough size that they will ruin your car. Oh, these ones are much more wet. I'm gonna have to turn on the defogger, you're not gonna hear me anymore. Just like that, I'm out of the hail. Into mild rain. Shortly sunshine.